Alright guys, we're going to part 2 video. Chevy Sonic. We'll be replacing this outer tie rod right there. And then same thing on the other side. The boot is shot. The ball joint on the edge is shot. It's making a hell whack of noise. So let's change it. Let's go. Alright guys, check this out. There we go. There's that sway bar links right here. We're going to be replacing that. We're going to hit that with penetrating fluid. And then same thing down there. But when you look at this, inspect everything, make sure that what we need to be replaced. But I'm gonna make sure let the guy know. Looks like we're gonna need the brand new rotors and pads here. Definitely new tires. Look at that. Just leveled out, bolt on the inside, a little bit of treads on the outside, a camber adjustment here. All right, let's put a new one in. All right, so let that sit for a bit. Just let it simmer. I'll be taking out that bolt and show you the new one. Here's a new one, OE Plus Auto Store. It looks different than the original one. You can tell this one is made of steel and this one is made of plastic. And there's the box right there if you care about the part number. OE Plus, purchase with the customer's money. There we go. So let's sit. I'm gonna be taking this out. I may need Allen key in the middle here and then an open end wrench to take out that nut. But we'll hit it with the impact. Let's see how it goes. All right, we'll try 18 mil right here. Let's see if this thing will come out. It's spinning, that's why we need to put that Allen key here. But this thing is garbage and it's gonna put a vice grip, lock it down behind here. Quicker way to do it. Right, we'll lock this rod piece with this vice grip right here so it won't spin on us. And then we'll squeeze this thing down. There we go. Try number 2. Oh yeah, it worked. And then we'll do the bottom one. There's no room down the bottom, so we're just gonna use a ratchet on that one. Just gonna ratchet down that nut, and then we'll use this vice grip right here to hold it down. Just same thing as what happened to the top. And there we go. And there we go. All right, so you can see this is the top one. This is the bottom right there. This is that makes that noise. Look at this. It's just wobbly. Should have a resistance on this. This thing only have like 74,000 K on this. And you can see it's just dry. No grease. Water goes in there. Dry it up. That's it. Let's put a new one in. Okay, so it doesn't matter which way it goes. Up and down, they're all the same. Alright, we'll start from the top and then we'll line up the bottom after. Okay, I'll bend that rod a little bit so that it will line up on the hole. We'll push the sway bar down a little bit so it will line up just like that, okay? And then we'll put the nut in place and then we'll torque this to spec. Alright, bottom it out and then we'll torque this thing down to spec. I believe this one is 46 pounds, so we got torque wrench right here. 46 foot-pounds on the top and 46 foot-pounds on the bottom. Alright, set up your dial torque wrench, 46 foot-pounds. Here we go. Alright, there you go guys, 46 foot-pounds right there. And then don't forget the bottom one, torque that as well. Last one right here. There you go, 46 foot-pounds right there. That's torque to spec. Everything is ready to go. Nice and solid here. Alright, well, put everything back together. The wheel, the tire on here, and then we'll torque the lug nuts to spec, and then we'll do the other side. Alright guys, this is the driver's side. This one is done, you can tell. There's the new one right there. Torque to spec. And then you can see on the old one, this is not bad, but it needs to be changed. The passenger side was the worst, but you can see it's ripped as well. This is about to go as well, so better change both so that you know that it's brand new left and right. That's it. This is gonna be done. We'll put all the tires back on. You can see, my god, this thing is done. This guy needs a new tires. I'll just need to balance, swap the back to the front and front to the back at least. But this one right here, oh my god, you can see the cord coming out. It's done. Need a new one. There you go guys, that's it. Chevy Cruze Endlinks, remove and replace. At least an hour for me to get this thing done, pick up the parts and swap it. So here's the tools that you need for this job. Locking pliers, pry bar, 2 sides of ratchet right there, 19 mil for lug nuts, 18 mil for the nuts for the swivel links, 3-inch extension, flexible strong arm right here, and then a torque wrench, and then the last one, the impact. Right, that's it. You don't need any of these one right here. This is all you need. 18 mil socket and 19. That's it guys. Thumbs up, follow my channel, subscribe. I'll see you again on the next one. Alright guys, here we go. We're out for a drive quick here. Alright, let's see if we can get some bumps here. There's a couple times the road is it's pretty nice to do the suspension test on this road. I'm in the city, so taking back the car to the guy that owns this while doing the test drive, the final test drive. But let's get something way up there. There's a little bit of a rough road, so let's check it out. Okay, we got some rough roads coming up right here. I just hit a yellow light right there. Alright, here we go. You can see we got some bumps. I'm trying to hit the bumps that I can, and the noise that we hear is not there anymore. The clunking sound is gone, and that's what we want. The clunking sound. That's good. That means it's fixed. Final drive is confirmed. That's it guys. See you again on the next one.